Hi mates, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to change the language on your Discord. And trust me, that's going to be a very quick tutorial. It's not complicated. Just make sure you watch this video all the way to the end to learn how to do it. First, when you're on your Discord, just click here on user settings next to your headphones here, and now go in language here. And as you can see, you can change it to every language that you want to, but actually not every, because there's not many languages, there's only a few. So let's say I want to change it to English UK. Alright, there's not a big difference. Let's say to Polish. Yeah, and as you can see, we've changed the language. So yeah, that was it, how to change the language on your Discord. It was very easy, as I told you. There's nothing complicated. And yep, if you're finding this video helpful, you can give it a like, and also don't be hesitate to or ashamed to leave your problems, to leave your questions down below the video in the comments, and I'll try to respond in a few days if I can. See you next video. Bye.